What's up, everybody? Mechanic to Go here. Got a quick little, I guess like a tip, like a run through. This is a Chrysler 300. It's a 2011. Let's see, kind of engine. 3.6, the V6 Chrysler engine. They're in the Chargers, Challengers. What else has them? The Jeeps have them. The Durangos have them. So we did the alternator right now. And everything else you see has you like go through the bottom and take all this stuff off or whatever. So here's all we did. You're gonna have this radiator hose right here. When you look down in the front, take off the cover and take off the air hose tube, and that's it from the top. So that piece there, that piece there, it gives you a nice little opening right here. You have the tensioner right there, so you're gonna put it on and you're going to pull to the passenger side. It's going to bring this pulley down. Take the belt off the alternator right here. You have one clip. You can see it right there, right in the middle with the red little safety thing. So you pull the safety thing back. Under there's the nub. It's a 13 mil. That is stock. So if they've changed it, it might be a different size, but stock it's 13 mil holding on the power cable. Then these two, where's my finger? This one and then the one right there. Those are the two top bolts. Then you have one directly opposite, just one on the bottom. But if you stand in the front, turn your hand and reach under, you can put a wrench there real easy, and that's it. It comes out. It does fit through this little hole, so you don't have to remove the fans or nothing. And we did it in about, how long, PJ? 10 minutes?
10 minutes.
About a 10-minute job right there. If you don't know what you're doing, be real careful, because all these aluminum pipes and all that can break really easily. Don't yank on stuff. So if you're not confident, still get someone to do it for you, and don't question how much they charge you according to the time it takes them to do it. They might just be badass. So peace. That was a quick little run through. Alternator, Mechanic to Go. Shout out Chicago, Alternator Day. And y'all have a good one.